This is the OPPO A57s, and in today's video we would like to demonstrate that you can scan documents and transform them into a PDF file on this device. So to start off, you will need to get the Google Drive application if you do not have it already. Usually it comes like pre-downloaded and pre-installed on this device, but I mean anything can happen at this point, so make sure to have it. If you do not, just get it for free from the Play Store. Then launch the application. At the bottom right corner, tap on this little plus sign. Then go for the scan option. Grant Google Drive the camera permission if it didn't have it previously. Then lay the document that you wanted to scan flat in front of you. Make sure to lay it straight. So the better you lay it, the easier it will be to make a decent scan out of it. Then align it in the viewfinder. After you're ready to take a scan, tap on the shutter button. Once you see the result, see whether you're satisfied with it or not. If you're not, just tap on the cross sign and retake the picture. If you are, tap on this little arrow icon. Then if you have it cut out the same way as I do, you can crop it by using the respective tool. By using this tool you can also align it better, make it more straight, trim the edges, do whatever is that you want to do, and generally edit its layout, should I say. So I'll drag it to the bottom, make sure that the entire document is in frame. Alrighty, that is decent enough for me at least. Then tap on the done button. Once you're ready to save it, then save. After that, you can rename the file if you want to, change the account on which it will be saved if you want to, and change its destination or the folder to which it will be saved if you want to as well. Once everything is done, everything is out of the way, and you just want to save the file, tap on a save option over here, and the file gets successfully saved. Here it is, in my case. Scanned, transformed into PDF, like so. Alrighty, so that would be it. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.